So guys, basically what I'm doing, I pick one part of the hair, then I pick the second one and I knot. Okay, just go in with my ventilating pin, pick the amount of hair that I need, try to separate the hair into two, pick one part, knot, then pick the second part. Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, consider doing that. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you people the two long-lasting ventilating patterns that you can use, which is the double knot and the double split knot. Okay, this first pattern is a double knot pattern. So what I'm doing is just go in with my ventilating pin. I pick the amount of hair that I need, then I make my first knot without releasing the hair. I go ahead and make the second knot then I release the hair. Okay, I pick the amount of hair I need, I make my first knot, still holding the hair, then I make my second knot. Guys, if you are ventilating with a hair that after ventilating you find out that this particular hair is kind of losing, I'm not talking about when you are ventilating with extension that you are going to use for your braided wigs, but if you are working on maybe you're making a closure and you find out that this particular hair, whenever you are done with your ventilation, it's kind of loose, then this double knot pattern will be the perfect. It's going to be the perfect for that particular hair. Okay, because you are actually knotting it twice, thereby making it to be more tight. Okay, so what I'm doing, I collect the amount of hair I need, I make my first knot without releasing it, then I make my second knot. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Look at this. I make my first knot, okay, without releasing it, then I make my second knot. That's a double knot pattern, guys. This is the double knot pattern. I pick the amount of hair I need, make my first knot without releasing it, then make my second knot. Okay, pick the amount of hair you need when you are ventilating your closures, especially when you are using a hair that is kind of losing whenever you are done with the ventilation. Okay, pick the first one, pick the amount of hair you need, make your first knot, guys, do not release it, then make your second knot. Okay, so guys, this is basically what I'm doing. I pick the amount of hair I need, I make my first knot without releasing the hair, then I make the second knot before releasing it. Okay, so guys, this is it for the double knots. Okay, this is it. So moving over to the second pattern, which is the double split pattern. Please guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube will notify you. And please guys, consider giving this video a thumbs up. So guys, for this double split knot, what I'm doing, I go in with my ventilating pin, guys. Okay, I pick the amount of hair that I need. So I kind of try to separate or divide the hair into two parts. I pick the first part, I knot without releasing the hair, guys. Then I pick the second part, then knot. Okay, I pick the first part, I knot, still holding the hair. I pick the second part, I knot. Okay, I release the hair, guys. I go in with my ventilating pin, pick the amount of hair I need, try to separate the hair into two, pick one part, knot, still holding the hair, pick the second part, and then I release the hair. Okay, so guys, for this double knot pattern, if you want your closure to have that factory kind of look, if you've seen a factory made closure before, they normally use this double split pattern. So if you want your closure to have that factory kind of look, guys, you can make use of this ventilating pattern. So I try to separate the hair or divide the hair into two parts. I pick the first part, I knot, without releasing the hair. I pick the second one, and then I knot. So guys, I try to separate the hair into two parts. I pick the first part, I knot, then I pick the second part, I knot, then I release the hair. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. Please guys, if you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. I pick the amount of hair I need. I try kind of separate the hair into two parts. I pick the first one, I knot, then I pick the second one, I knot. Okay, before I release the hair. Okay, I pick the amount of hair that I need. I kind of separate the hair into two, guys. Then pick the first part, knot, pick the second part, and then knot, and I release the hair, making sure it's tight, guys. Like I said, if you want to have a factory kind of closure, then this pattern of ventilation is best for it. Okay, I try to separate the hair into two. I pick one part, I knot, I pick the second part, I knot, kind of dividing the hair into two. Why I have my knots in between the two hairs, kind of separating it. I don't know if you closely look at it, you see how it's kind of divided, like it looks like the hair is divided into two. That's why it's called the double split pattern, guys. Okay, pick the amount of hair you need, try to separate the hair into two parts. Pick the first part, knot, then pick the second part, knot, before you release the hair, guys. Okay, if you found any value from this video, guys, if you know you found any value from this video, consider subscribing. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, okay, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.